How to remove saved login info on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner and then navigate to your settings. And here click on Account Center. And here from the Account Settings section, click on Password and Security. And then from the Login and Recovery section, click on Saved Login. You will be redirected to this browser page right here. And once the page loads, you will see at the bottom the option that says Remove Saved Login Info from Facebook. So click on it. And once you do that, you will see that the saved login infos has been removed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete the saved login info on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.